Are you looking for ways to boost and maintain your iPhone's battery health? There are a few secret tricks that can help you keep your battery in optimal condition for longer. Let's dive into some lesser known methods that can keep your battery health and extend its lifespan. Solution 1. Disable visual effects. Certain visual effects and animation consume additional power, can drain battery health. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, tap on Motion, toggle on Reduce Motion to turn off unnecessary animations and effects. Solution 2. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Select Off to disable Background App Refresh entirely to solve hidden battery health drain issues for your battery. Solution 3. Turn off location services. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services, scroll down, tap System Service. Find these alerts that you don't need to run in the background. This can save your battery life 5% or even more. Like you can turn off the HomeKit or suggestion and search. And if you don't need a location always, then you can toggle off location services entirely so that you can save your battery life. Solution 4. Turn off True Tone and reduce screen brightness. Swipe down from the top, tap and hold the brightness slider. Now turn off True Tone. After that, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Display and Brightness. Adjust the brightness slide to a lower level. This will reduce battery pressure and will help you save battery health in the long run. Solution 5. You can disable auto brightness. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, scroll down, tap on Display and Text Size, scroll down, toggle off auto brightness. By following these secret battery health tips and tricks, you can help ensure your iPhone's battery stays in top condition for as long as possible. Let me know if these tips worked for you or if you have any other questions.